So you hear how all these ad experts start recommending to run ads on TikTok. You've listened to them, you launched your ads, but you see that they're not converting and they're burning your money. What can you do next and how to fix that? I'm gonna cover this particular problem in this video. Let's start with the first reason. And this might sound counterintuitive, and on TikTok, it's a little bit different. You have to understand that when you launch ads on TikTok, the things that you used on Facebook, if let's say that you run ads on Facebook and now you transfer it also on a TikTok, might not work because the platforms are a little bit different. So starting with the first reason, and this is not optimizing for the right event. And here I could talk about two things. One, if you are optimizing for traffic, you won't get the right results. If you are an e-commerce business owner and you want to drive sales, this is your main objective, you want to get as many conversions as possible and you want to increase your return on ad spend, optimizing for traffic won't help you. Because the way algorithms work, the moment when you click on that traffic optimization, they will understand that this is your main goal. You want to get just as much traffic as possible. So they will give you exactly that. They will send you thousands and thousands of people to your website. However, the quality of the traffic is not that good when it comes to converting them. That's why optimizing for traffic will set up yourself for failure from the first day when you launch that campaign. And the second wrong optimization, and this probably most of you are doing here a huge mistake, that is optimizing for the complete payment. Where if you are coming from Facebook, this will be equal with purchase. If you are optimizing for complete payment and you have a new TikTok pixel, again, that will be a disservice because the algorithms are not trained and they do not understand who is your ideal client. So optimizing for complete payment, usually what is going to happen is this. One, they simply will not spend. You will see that your ads do not get any spend. Or two, you are not gonna get the return on spend that you're striving for. That being said, the solution to this is to use an upper level event, such as add to cart. The moment when you optimize for things like add to cart, now the algorithms could understand better who is your ideal client because they could get much more data. Because getting someone to add something to your cart will be easier than like making someone to purchase. So the volume of how many people are adding to the cart will be higher. And for the algorithms, volume matters a lot. You could transition to complete payment, but you could do that once you hit, let's say, at least, this is the bare minimum, 500 add to cart registered by the TikTok pixel. The moment when you see that, now you could transition to complete payment and see how that will affect your results. If you still see that the results not there, you want to optimize back to the add to cart, get 500 more events of that and test again the complete payment and see how that goes. Now talking about the second reason why your ads are not performing is because you do not set enough budget. Again, I don't want you to get out of context and think that, okay, biggest reason my ads are not performing and it's only because of a budget. It's not like that. I'm gonna explain also the other reasons why your ads are not performing. But for now, if let's say you do not get 50 events within 7 days, that will be one obstacle to get and to kind of get the return on spend that you want. You see, for the TikTok algorithms to optimize the best and to target the right audience, it's very, very crucial for them to get enough volume. I've kind of like mentioned a little bit about that. So 50 conversions were 50 results, pretty much what you're optimizing for, 50 add to cart, 50 initial checkouts is super, super crucial. If you do not get that within 7 days, it will be a huge struggle for the algorithms and you will suffocate the algorithms to find the right audience. So when you set your budget, you want to make your calculations and see how many add to cart you need to get on a daily basis and how much money you have to spend to get those add to cart. If let's say that you need to get 8 add to cart, and let's say your cost to get 1 add to cart is $10, pretty much that means you need to spend at least $80 per day to get that number and ultimately to get 50 add to cart. So, you know, running ads is simply math. You just need to make your calculations, see what's your cost to acquire that customer, cost to get 1 add to cart, and then set a budget that makes sense. Talking about the third reason, and here we're gonna start talking about with the ad creative. So far we've talked more about the technical information, the technical side of running TikTok ads, and now talking about with the ad creatives, because here we're gonna cover a lot more. And this usually is the main reasons why your ads are not performing. It's very rare and it doesn't happen that often that your ads are not performing because of your technical information, of the technical side, but usually they're not performing because of your creatives, because of how you address your message to the right audience. So talking about the third reason why your ads are not performing, and that's because the desire or the motivation that you are articulating through your ad creatives, through your ad message, does not convert. It's simply not compelling to the audience that you want to reach. You have to understand that in every industry, your customers have multiple reasons why they want to buy the product. It's not only one reason. Let me give you an example. Let's say that we want to sell, I don't know, a pair of jeans. Well, what could be the reasons or the motivations or the biggest desires why someone would buy a pair of jeans? Well, it could be because they want to get compliments. This is one motivation. Second, they would want to attract the opposite gender. This is the second reason. This is the second motivation. Third would be they just want to feel better about themselves, to elevate their confidence. Okay, so here we just found in a matter of seconds three biggest motivations, three biggest reasons why someone would want to buy that pair of jeans. You want to figure out what are those biggest reasons why someone would want to buy your product that you sell, and then test that out through your ads, through your ad creatives, through your ad message. Use each motivation, use each desire that your clients would have, and see which one converts the best. You'll figure that out pretty quickly. After that, stick just to one single motivation, stick just to one single desire. I could guarantee you that the moment when you focus on one single desire, you'll be able to scale your business, you'll be able to grow your business to multiple 6 figures and then 7 figures. Afterwards, if you want to go even above and spend a lot of money, you would want now to talk and to use multiple motivations, because at that moment, if you just use one single desire, it will appeal just to one single audience, to one kind of particular subset of your ideal customer base. So to go and to kind of break through that scaling ceiling, you would want now at that moment to talk and to use multiple motivations. But for now, at this moment, if your ads are not performing, try to test as many motivations and as many reasons that your clients would want to buy your product and see which one converts the best, and stick to that just for now. And now, talking about the fourth reason why your TikTok ads are not converting, and this is your customers cannot identify themselves when they look at your ads, they look at your business, at your products. You gotta understand that in the world that we live in, customers are extremely picky. They have so many choices when it comes to buying your products. You have to admit that what you sell is not that unique. Most likely, I could find your product on Google, on Amazon. So your customers have a lot of choices. That being said, you have to make sure that when you create an ad, when you put out there a message, speaks to that audience. It makes them feel that it is personalized for them. If they feel that this is for me, this is for my personality, now they would not be so willing to go after, to look at other brands, to look at other places to buy your product. Because most likely all the other brands, they talk to everybody, they talk to masses, so it is not that personalized. That's why you will see that more and more brands, they're trying to create products specifically designed for a particular customer avatar. And this kind of comes down to the identity that you create around your brand. So every single person has an identity, and every single person sees himself as a specific personality. That's why creating an identity is a must now. It's not just a nice to have, it's a must if you want to differentiate yourself, and if you want to make your potential customers feel that your brand matches with their needs. And again, how do you build this identity? First of all, you have to understand that this will take you some time, and you have to be consistent with this, because all the brands that they've been very successful, they've been in the marketplace for a long period of time, and they are very consistent with their ad message for many years. And now the reason number 5 why people are not converting for your TikTok ads is because they simply do not trust you. Right now in the marketplace, in the world which we live in, again, like I said, people have lots of choices, and because of that, people are very skeptical. They want to make sure that the brand they will choose will be the best choice that they could make. So social proof is one of the best psychological triggers that you could use in order to eliminate this problem and to make people feel that this is the right brand, the right product that they would need for their problems and for their desires. We pretty much, as business owner, we sell certainty in an uncertain world. So that being said, you want to include reviews, all kinds of endorsements, and all kinds of associations with celebrities on your website, for your ads, for your organic posts consistently for a long period of time. And you have to understand that what someone says about your brand, about your products, is much more valuable, is much more important than what you say as a business owner about your brand, about your products, or what you claim about your products. So this way are the 5 reasons why your TikTok ads are not converting and what you can do to fix that. If you enjoyed this video and if you found it valuable, make sure to click on the subscribe button and on the notification bell. Every other day, I upload here a new video about Facebook and TikTok ads. Also, click on the like button and share this video with a business owner who might find this video valuable. Until next time, I will speak to you in my next video. Bye.